Which program gave the slogan of Garibi Hatao? Right answer, fifth five-year plan. Next question. In which five-year plan India opted for mixed economy? Right answer, second. Next question. When was the first five-year plan of India started? Right answer, 1951. Next question. Who was the first chairman of the Planning Commission? Right answer, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Secretariat of SSC is set up at? Right answer, Kathmandu. Next question. By what name is the Ganga known in Bangladesh? Right answer, Padma. Next question. Which state has the largest coastline in India? Right answer, Gujarat. Next question. The highest grade and best quality coal is? Right answer, anthracite. Next question. Brightest star outside our solar system is? Right answer, Sirius. Next question. Closest star to our solar system is? Right answer, Proxima Centauri. Next question. Light year is a unit of? Right answer, distance. Highest waterfall of the world is? Right answer, Angel Fall. Next question. In Bangladesh, Ganga is known by which name? Right answer, Padma. Next question. Brahmaputra river system rises in? Right answer, Tibet. Next question. In Bangladesh, Brahmaputra is known by which name? Right answer, Jamuna. Next question. World Environment Day is observed on? Right answer, 5th June. Next question. Which is the only country through which both equator and Tropic of Capricorn pass? Right answer, Brazil. Next question. Which is the longest peninsular river in India? Right answer, Godavari. Next question. The producer of black pepper in India is? Right answer, Kerala. Next question. The primary Mediterranean passes through? Right answer, Greenwich. Next question. The Vivekananda Rock Memorial is situated at? Right answer, Kanyakumari. Next question. Kanchenjunga is situated in? Right answer, Sikkim. Next question. Marbles are formed due to the change of? Right answer, limestone. Next question. Which rocks are called primary rocks? Right answer, igneous rocks. Next question. Sandstone is a type of? Right answer, sedimentary rocks. Next question. Which city is known as the Manchester of South India? Right answer, Coimbatore. Next question. Time difference between GMT and IST is? Right answer, 5 hours 30 minutes. Next question. Which atomic power station in India is built indigenously? Right answer, Kalpakkam. Next question. Which state has the maximum number of national parks? Right answer, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Which river flows between Vindhya and Satpura ranges? Right answer, Narmada. Next question. Highest peak in Aravalli ranges? Right answer, Guru Shekhar. Oldest oil refinery in India is at? Right answer, Digboi, Assam. Next question. Percentage of irrigated land in India is? Right answer 35%. Most of the weather phenomena take place in. Right answer troposphere. Next question. Radiation that heats Earth's atmosphere comes from. Right answer sun. Roaring 40s are. Right answer westerly winds. Next question. Highest peak in South India is. Right answer Anamundi. Next question. Which river has the largest catchment area in India? Right answer Godavari. Next question. Largest man-made lake in India is. Right answer Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar. Next question. El Nino replace which ocean current? Right answer Humboldt current. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। थैंक यू गाइस।